All right, it's all done. I only have one hand. Let's see if this worked like it's supposed to. Pull the card. Oh. Oh, the black ones. Oh yeah, they're coming off. Very cool. Sweet. How did they? Yeah, it's pretty decent. I mean, there's a little bit of the lip that, but I mean, you can't even tell them once it's on the ring. You might not be able to see. I'll have to test it out. I'm sure I can go into the software and clean it up to get it even more accurate. But you know what? For the sake of sakiness, the black ones turned out great. It's easier for the software to register dark images than it is light images. It looks for these outlines. So depending on how I have the camera angled, that could play a big part into those as well. But the black ones, perfecto. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Now I got key legends, and these are all stuck to this paper. I think it's all sticky. So I'm gonna try it again. Try her again one day. Maybe clean up these lines, because you can go in here and hit the design button and zoom in as far as you'd like and really get granular and line up these circles, and you can do whatever you want to these circles. You know, if they're off a little bit, you can cut them bigger or smaller, do whatever you'd like. All right, man, that's just my little fun project for the day. Talk to you later.